Yeah, everybody sing Combat University, Combat University, Combat University, Combat University, Combat University, Combat University. Let's go!
Welcome to Combat University. What do you do when someone strikes down at you? Well, that's what we're going to go over today, how to defend against a downhammer strike. So watch this clip from Wonder Woman, and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out. Welcome back. So did you notice how the soldier struck down at Wonder Woman? Well, that's what we're going to defend against. Bob here is going to strike at me. And as he does, I'm going to do that Wonder Woman block. Just make sure when you block like this that you don't come down here because they'll still strike you. And you can't have it too close to your head. You have to be out here. Block. From here, we're going to trap that wrist as we kick the knee. So block, kick, leverage down here. All right, so I'm bringing Sprawl in to help with this technique to show you what to do. So again, we have it here. You got the wrist twisted here. We pushed on the elbow. From here, we're gonna step over here. Once you get here, we're gonna bring the arm up, put your hips out and break. Just make sure when you're here that you're not bringing it straight up, right? That's gonna go right into your groin. Bring it to the side, here. Arms up and block, trap the wrist, kick the knee, leverage here. From here, step over the arm, here, lift up and hips out. Block, kick, leverage down, step over, break. Right. Block. Grab the wrist as you kick the knee, leverage down. Okay, so what happens if you didn't block and you were struck? This is what we would do. We're struck. Most likely, the defender will still be in somewhat of a fighting or boxer stance. So if Bob is here, and we're here, we're gonna reach out and grab the wrist as we kick the knee. Here. Grab the wrist, leverage that elbow and that wrist down here. Step over, break. Reach, grab, kick, leverage down. From here, reach and kick, leverage. Okay, so for the last one, we're going to be the more aggressive one. We're not going to wait for him to strike. Okay, so for technique number 3, we're not going to wait for him to strike. We're going to be the first one to go after him. So the thing with this one is, if you just kick his knee, what's going to happen is his arms are going to come down here. Well, that's going to make it a lot more difficult to have to reach in and grab that arm. So we're going to strike first, just a palm to the face. So palm, then from here, as his hands come up, we're going to grab that wrist, kick, and then do the same thing. Strike, grab, kick, leverage. Kick, leverage. Here's just a better show kind of how that leverage works. Again, so you're grabbing the wrist here, and you'll see as I turn that everything turns with it. As you do this, he's gonna come forward and down here. So, someone has your arm and they twist here, it's gonna bring you this way. That's why once you're here, you can step over the arm and break it. Strike. Hey. Thanks again for watching. Go try it. Please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.